Today it's the 9th of August 2021, and we have Varppaaja 4, staircase B here in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Finland. There are 5 floors here. You can also watch the staircase A here, and this was built in early 2000, turned 20 years old in last year, 2020. With 5 floors. Serial number is 70332. Because these 8% of these entrepreneurs will be expected in the next year, 2022. 770 meters.
Yeah.
Somebody tried to draw that number 6 button, but it's not in use because there is no 6th floor here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Istuttiin paikkivaisi, mutta mentiin paikkaan.
Yeah. The second say closes the door quicker.
Yeah.
Takes some short time to close it.
Yeah. This is better.
Yeah. It's not too fast.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch this take a save here. They're both from early 2000.
That's